Welcome to ClearPath MCP Release 19.0 Technical Update. This tutorial is for MCP 19.0 New Product Information Transfers for both DMSII and Relational Database Server MCPSQL. My name is Courtney Huang. I'm a software engineer. Our agenda will cover the new release feature in DMSII, such as structure-level encryption. The second new feature of DMSII is Designate future event log access, and some update features in Relational Database Server MCPSQL. In ClearPath MCP Release 18.0, we released a feature called Field Level Encryption, or also known as SLE, that allows a database administrator to select a certain items in the dataset to be encrypted. In this 19.0 release, we introduce a new flavor of encryption, which is structure-level encryption, or also known as SLE. Structure-level encryption allows a database administrator to select a standard fixed format dataset to be encrypted. If a dataset is SLE, then all of its belong index sequential sets and subsets also become SLE. The structure's data will be protected on disk by DMSII and in memory by MCP. Like field-level encryption, structure-level encryption also requires a database to have an encryption key set. If a database contains both field-level encryption and structure encryption, the same encryption key set will be used. DMSII integrated with MCPSQL to maximize the security, and integrated with Security Center to manage the encryption key sets. An existing structure can change to SLE by perform a DASO update, and a file format change reorg is required to migrate from non-SLE to SLE or vice versa. Any user program doesn't require to be recompiled, since it was a file format change reorganization. There are few restrictions when using structure-level encryption in this initial release. For example, only standard fixed format dataset and its index sequential sets and subsets can be selected as SLE. Only AES GCM encryption algorithm is supported, and RDB is not supported for SLE feature. There are some highlight improvements between FLE and SLE. For example, for FLE, if an encrypted item is used as a key item of the set, then only file equal is supported, since the encrypted key is in order by its hash value. But for SLE, any kind of query will be supported. Second, any change of FLE that requires reorg, then it will be record format reorg, and user programs must be recompiled. For SLE, any change that requires reorg, then it will be a file format reorg, so user programs do not need to be recompiled. The CPM firmware that support SLE feature are Libra 4500, 8500, FS800, and CSS 3.0 support SLE feature on the first release. Libra 6400, 8400, FS601 support SLE as support release SP4. CSS 2.1 supports SLE feature as support release SP3 with IC3. Libra 4300, 6300, 8300 support SLE feature as support release SP3. Note: Libra 470, FS177D, CSS1000 do not support SLE feature. The next new feature of DMSII is Designate the future event log access. An event log captures the database exceptions and the subscribed event categories for a running database in an event log file. By default, an event log file is configured with private access, so only certain privileges can have access to the log file. DMSII enhanced DMII91 with category file. This will subscribe the public I/O that allows all DMSII software to access the future event log, regardless of the privilege. User can use DBS status command to inquire about the update event information. Our next item in the agenda is a summary of changes in 19.0 for Relational Database Server MCPSQL. ClearPath MCP Release 18.0 was the last release for ODBC access, also known as Info Access. MCPSQL updates to allow clients to upgrade from ODBC access to MCPSQL are well underway. Additional updates will be provided to complete this work prior to MCP 20.0. We urge clients to try out their applications with MCPSQL and contact product support if we are missing features that are critical to your upgrading. While ODBC access is not shipping with MCP 19.0, we have qualified the use of ODBC access 18.0 with MCP 19.0 and DMSII 19.0 while we complete this work so that the clients can continue using the applications in their current form after upgrading to MCP 19.0. The command line interface for Query Design Center offers a way for customers to conveniently execute a script file containing a list of SQL queries. The Relational Database Server added more granular permission control and the ability to query permissions. Further, it supports of Japanese character set translations when using the Unisys ODBC driver, and improved its capability with Microsoft Office products, especially by expanding the data types supported. Unisys offers a comprehensive set of ClearPath Forward services to enrich the value of your ClearPath Forward applications, data, and systems. Please contact your Unisys representative for more information. We hope you found the presentation information useful and informative. Thank you for continuing using ClearPath.